welcome back. So we got our containers all nice and sterilized, and here they are. Remember, we're now ready to mix our dirt. There's a reason for this. Dirt, in general, is kind of thick. You can see how it's staying in a ball here. The problem with that is moisture doesn't flow through it, and it can actually choke your seedlings. So you need something like seed starter. And this is just super loose stuff, super loose soil. The roots love it. Now, what's happened in my experience is I've done this both ways. Just went with straight soil, had a really terrible garden. Went with straight seed starter. Sadly, my seedlings didn't get real strong. I talked to my uncle about it, and he said, why don't you mix them together? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just pouring in some seed starter, and then I reach in and we mix it up. And you can see it's just a perfect mix of your soil and the seed starter. Now, I honestly recommend this, even if you get your dirt at your big box store or local nursery. Obviously, get some seed starter, mix them together, and I think you will have better luck. It's worked for me, and that's my voice of experience. So, we got our pots, these nice Jiffy pots, nice biodegradable. Remember, I like these little containers to put them in, and we'll just go like so. Boom, boom, boom. We've mixed up our soil, and we just put it in. Now, I'm afraid I'm going to add a little more. That's looking great. And let's try it. Oh, look at that. That's just perfect. Okay, so let's fill these babies up. Get our pots full. I've got 18 of these laid out. That's what I'm going to do. Our next episode will be baking the dirt. Now, don't worry about that. If you bought your soil at the local seed store, local big box store, you got nothing to worry about. If you're a little crazy, like me, you go dig your own dirt just because, you know, it's fun, bake your dirt. So that's the next episode. Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.